free skin. It's the Tilt Page birth month. For their monthly event, they will be teaming up with 3 content creators to give you one of the biggest event yet. They'll have a price promos from May 1 to May 22 and going to give away 1 wild pass and 2 skin of your choice. How to join? Like and follow Tilt Page on Facebook. Subscribe to Jetcraps. Like and follow Jetcraps on Facebook. React and share this post with that hashtag recycle.
Fearless assassin with no master.
Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make this weapon of Akali from Wild Rip using cardboard. Here are the timestamp, skip if you want. And start. So the first thing you need to do is print the file and then solve it like a puzzle. Then ready your cardboard. Then paste it together. And then after that we need to cut out some patterns because we need to fit them in the cardboard. So as always, we're going to try our best to save space for other patterns. Change this pattern because I made an error. There's some overlapping, so I need to change it into this. So it's much, so it's much, so it's much, so it's much, so it's better than before. So I finished putting some part in this board. Then I'm going to paste the blade part. As you can see, I changed the cardboard because it was too big. So I change it to a small one and cut out some pattern so it can fit more. So this is the mirrored pattern. You should print a mirrored pattern because we cannot complete this craft without one. And the paper, I'm done pasting the mirrored file. Now let's cut them out. This is always the hard part. So I'm going to start with the kunai, the handle of it. So I don't really know her other weapon. I think it is a sight or a kama. I think the kama is for leaves and the sight is for also leaves. So maybe it's a sight or kama. But I'll call it a sight. Okay? So I'm going to cut this video short because it's easy. You just need to follow the steps I'm doing here. Okay? So I'm glad that Akali is rebumped in League PC. If you've seen her model in the old version, she's like a girl with a problem on the back because she's always hunching while walking. So it's kinda awkward. So her damage in the last version of her old self was more painful. Does more burst damage than today's. But I think it's quite balanced now because she has been nerfed multiple times, right? Rip to all Akali mains there. Oh. So, by the way, the giveaway was a sponsor from Tilt Wild Rip page. I am a partner of his for a month, so my giveaway was his sponsor from his page. So be sure to like and follow his page on Facebook. So when we are done with the original side of the kunai, now we will continue on with the mirrored side. So let's do it. Now this is going to be easy because we have done the original side. All we need to do is mirror it on the mirrored printed file. Ayo, by the way, thank you for 522 subscribers. You guys are awesome. You are making my dreams come true. Thank you very much. I hope I reach 1K soon. Thank you for the support. I love you guys. Let's recycle and do more crafting. Almost done with the kunai. Now let's add the last piece. We are done with the kunai. So easy, so cool, not so sharp because it's a paper cardboard, right? Now let's continue on with the side. Now in the side we will start with the holder or the handle. So it's just easy with the 4 pieces glued together. We now have a handle. Now let's carry on with the blade of the sight. So I'm calling this sight because I haven't researched for Akali's weapons. I haven't read about the lure, but I know the shape's like a sight or a kama, so I'll call it a sight. Okay, sorry if it's not a sight, it's called a sight, so sorry, I'm gonna call it a sight. So in my point, I was watching a Third Life Minecraft SMP. I like watching Grian. Hope you like Minecraft too. Yeah, buddy, Minecraft buddies. Side of the side, just like the original one. Let's do it clean and easy. Hey, also if you followed and like Jetcraps on Facebook, so if you were a top fan of Jetcrap, can suggest to me what should I make or what should I craft on the next video. So if you're a top fan, you could message Jetcraps on Facebook and can suggest if I agree or if I can make it. I'll do it on the next video. So follow Jetcraps on Facebook and be a top fan. Alright. done with both sides of the site. Now all we need to do is paste the two, glue the two sides together just like this. Now let's glue the two mirrored and original handle just like this. So I modified this handle by impaling a cardboard to the handle like this. Just put a hole and put it there. And also this side, I also add a hole for the cardboard so we can handle it more stably. Because if we don't add this, the side will bend and it will not look good at all. So we're done. Alright, so as you can see, I've almost polished this kunai, but in the site the problem is I ran out of glue. Polishing takes a lot of glue, but the problem, I've ran out of glue. If you have 5 pesos, I would like to have one. Thank you. Mwah. Just kidding. You could tip me whatever you want. So this is the site and kunai. Hope you like this tutorial. Hope it's easy to learn, and hope you share this video to your friends who also love Akali, who also mains Akali, also adore Akali, also plays Akali for about 5 years. Who who is Kali? Okay, subscribe, like, share. See you guys on the next video. Take care now. Bye bye there. See you. Kita tayo bukas. Mama.